What's going on, everybody? So in this informational video, we're going to show you how to change your center caps on your rims. So we're going to set this off to the side here so we don't damage it or lose it. So first things first, we got to take off our tires. Take off the rim. So, now, as you can see right here, is the back side of our center cap. You just pop it out, just like that. We're going to turn the tire back around. We're going to get our new center cap, and hopefully it's the right one. They look to be about the right size. We're going to take it. Let's line it up with the valve stem. Make it fancy. So you just get it in the spot, snap her into place, good to go. And then you go back and you put your tire back on. We lost the wheel nut, so we gotta get that. So we're gonna put our wheel nuts back on. Now, if you thought this video was helpful, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys all in the next one. And once you get it down, don't forget to retorque your tires.